Have you ever pondered the pivotal role Abu Bakr played in shaping early Islamic history? Our journey today takes us back to the 7th century, to the arid landscapes of Arabia, to the heart of a rapidly evolving society. Born into a wealthy merchant family in Mecca, Abu Bakr, originally known as Abdullah ibn Uthman, was a man of great influence and respect even before his conversion to Islam. His early life was marked by his keen business acumen and exemplary moral character. In the midst of the spiritual and social turmoil of pre-Islamic Arabian society, a profound friendship was kindled, a friendship that would forever alter the course of history. Abu Bakr and Muhammad, two individuals, bound by a shared vision of monotheism, became the torchbearers of a new faith. Abu Bakr was the first adult male to embrace Islam, earning him the title of As-Siddiq, the Truthful. His acceptance of the Prophet's message was instantaneous and unwavering, a testament to his profound faith and trust in his friend. As a wealthy merchant, Abu Bakr utilized his resources to support the fledgling Muslim community. He purchased and freed slaves, provided financial aid, and used his influence to protect the Prophet. His role was not merely that of a follower, but also of a protector and benefactor. When persecution of the Muslims in Mecca intensified, it was Abu Bakr who accompanied the Prophet on the perilous journey to Medina. This migration, or hijrah, marked a turning point in Islamic history, laying the foundations for an Islamic state in Medina. But perhaps, the most defining moment of Abu Bakr's life came in the wake of the Prophet's demise. Amidst the grief and confusion, Abu Bakr assumed the mantle of leadership as the first caliph of Islam. His reign, though brief, was marked by numerous military campaigns that expanded the boundaries of the Islamic State, laying the groundwork for what would become one of the largest empires in history. Under his leadership, the Quran, the holy scripture of Islam, was compiled into a single book, preserving the divine revelations for future generations. This monumental task underlines Abu Bakr's commitment to the preservation and propagation of Islamic teachings. In summary, Abu Bakr's life is a tale of unwavering faith, steadfast friendship, and dedicated leadership. As a close companion of the Prophet, he played a critical role in the early development of Islam. His contributions, from supporting the Muslim community in Mecca to leading as the first caliph, have left an indelible imprint on Islamic history. Abu Bakr's legacy serves as a beacon of inspiration, a testament to the power of faith, friendship, and leadership. His life and contributions continue to resonate, shaping the understanding and practice of Islam to this very day.